how to use a Weblock. Weblocks are great to replace ratchets. On our tents like the Stingray and the Net, helps lighten your load. You still need one ratchet, but you can lose 2 of the ratchets and replace them with 2 Weblocks. With the Flight, it makes setup a little easier than just tying knots. It's a little more adjustable and versatile. So I'm going to show you how to set up the Flight using Weblocks. I already have one Weblock set over here. Notice the length. I'm going to try to copy this length on that side. When putting your Weblock on your tent, you want to make sure this high side is up. Loop it around just like you would your ratchet. Take your strap from your anchor point. Make sure you got a nice straight line. We like clean rigging around here. You're going to feed it through from below. Bring it down and under. Pull it nice and tight. I've got a nice 2-arm length over there, so I'm going to do about the same over here. And then I'm going to have my colleague Ratchet over there on our 3rd anchor point. There we go, now we're nice and secure. One thing to note, I am using the thicker straps with the Weblocks. Our Weblocks are made for our thicker strap that comes with our Connect and our Stingray. The Flight does come with the smaller straps, but our bigger straps are available to purchase at Tentsile.com.